So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You want Perplexity to analyze an image, maybe a chart, a screenshot, or any photo of a document. You drag it in there and nothing happens. Or let's say it uploads but won't really analyze. Or you get a cryptic error message. So here's the thing. Perplexity's image analysis is powerful, but it's also, I would say, funky. So the platform has specific requirements for image formats, sizes, and even how you ask your question. And if you are using certain browser extensions or even VPNs, they can block image uploads entirely. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every fix for image upload failures. We will also cover file formats, size limits, compression tricks, and the surprising way browser extensions can interfere as usual. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Perplexity accepts common image formats, but there are limits. According to technical documentation, there is some limits according basically to the limit of an image. For example, you want to upload an image from here. Make sure the resolution is for like 25 or 2K, 144 or even smaller. HMI should be also under the 12 megabytes. Make sure it's PNG or JPEG. Then you can also compress it using the WebP format. WebP format can significantly reduce file size without losing quality. According to the guides, you can easily use any online converter or use command lines. You can also use the image magic for resizing. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.